Hey YouTube, Geminijets 2000 here, coming at you with a review of the Geminijets Virgin Australia 777-300ER. This is another one of my Christmas models, and really happy to have it. It's a really nice model. And yeah, so I just did the Q&A question submission video. So if you have a question for me, you can go to that video and comment, or I guess you could comment in this video, but I prefer it if you could comment in that video. And also news about subscriber route airport, and so subscriber routes and stuff, and some other news about my channel and stuff. So yeah, go check out that video if you already haven't. And yeah, hit 1,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you to everybody. If you've been here for a few years or just the last few days, thank you. And yeah, so I'll just start with this review. It's a typical Geminijets box, as you can see, just the regular stuff. Geminijets, their slogan. Yeah, nothing new about the box. See a picture of the aircraft there. Virgin Australia, Boeing 777-300ER, 1/400 scale diecast model aircraft. Look inside. Right in here is the information about the aircraft, 777. Again, press pause to read that. Here's the specifications of it. Press pause to read those. And there's where the model will go. You can see the plastic in there. Going to the side. Side's just regular, shows a picture of the aircraft, has the item number, and just regular stuff. Top, adult collectible model, barcode, just normal Geminijets stuff. This side, the same as the other side. At the bottom, 1/400 scale diecast model, highly collectible, superior quality, realistic metal landing gear, detailed printed graphics, reels against features. Normal Geminijets stuff that's on every box. And on the back, you can see a picture of the aircraft and the clouds and stuff, computer-generated image. Geminijets, their little paragraph about them. Same stuff I just read on the side. New releases being added monthly. Please visit the website. Officially licensed Boeing products, made in China in 2017. Geminijets release, Las Vegas, Nevada. So, yeah, I'll just get the model here. It's a really nice model. Really happy to have it. Gemini just did a great job on it. There we go. And just starting out at the nose, you can see the cockpit windows look very nice. You can see the windshield wipers and the nose cone. Going down, you can see a bunch of little details. You can see the lady holding the flag. Right under it says Palm Beach. On the landing gear doors, it says Oscar Zulu or OZ. Right here you have the R1 door. Looks very nice and stuff. And sorry about all that background noise. And right here you have the end of the Virgin Australia title. You can just see it all along here and stuff. And just going down, you have the windows, and you have a cargo door down there. You see lots of details and stuff. You see the L2 door right there. You can see more windows. So you see it's very detailed and stuff. And then you see an antenna up there. You can see a beacon light up on the front. Didn't show that. Just going down, you have the wing root where the mold, where the wings meet the fuselage. Geminijets, their 777 mold, it used to have like a huge gap and everything, but they've really done a good job on sealing it up and making it look a lot better. So it looks really good in my opinion and stuff. Just going down, we have another door, the overwing exit, and you have the overwing exit markings. Just going back, you have some more stuff. You have another door, you have the cargo door, you have two antennas right there. One thing, the little Wi-Fi dome slot thing, it's not like 3D, it's not physical, 4D actually. It's just a little marking there. You have the full registration number, Victor Hotel Victor Oscar Zulu, bulk bin door down there, and the final door. You have the horizontal stabilizers and the APU. The APUs, you can see it on this side and there. And you can see the tail where it says Virgin on it. And just go back to this side and just do the top of the aircraft with the wings and stuff. And you can see lots of details. You can see the outline of the flaps, slats, and spoilers. Looks very nice. You have a green navigation light on this side, red navigation light on that side. And you can see the engines here, the beautiful GE90-115B engines. Very nice. You can't see through them But I think the only planes that have through them, that you can see through them for Gemini, is the A350s and stuff. But very nice, very detailed and stuff. And get the focus. And there we go. There's the landing gear right here. And you see it tilts a little bit. And it rolls. It doesn't roll the best, but that's just the way these gears are. But it does actually roll. The other gear, this one doesn't tilt. I think it's just my model. It's just like glued into place a little too good or something. But I have the other 777s and the gear tilt fine. So I think it's just my model. Just going down, top of the plane. You can see the antennas and stuff. Looks very nice. I'll flip it over. And now you can see the front gear doors. You can see lots of details in the main front landing gear. You can see the cargo door right there. Lots of details and stuff. See the wing root, which I'm talking about. There's still a gap and stuff. You can still see it, but it's a lot better than it used to be and stuff. Especially here at the bottom and stuff at the back. You can see a beacon light on the bottom and the stand hole. You can see the gear again. You can see the outline of flap slats and on the bottom of the wings and the engines. Very detailed, looks very nice. Very good mold. Looks really great. Registration number again, VH, that's VOZ. Going down, you have the Geminijets logo. You have the other cargo door and the bulk bin door, and the APU housing doors at the back. And there's the horizontal stabilizers. I'll just flip it over again for some views of it. You have the left side, the front, the right side, and the back. And I'll just compare it to the Phoenix 777-300ER. I'm going to put it on the wood here. So first thing I'll just show you is the wing roots and stuff. You can see on here what I showed you, and then here it's solid. Each wing is their own mold and stuff. You can see it goes in there. So I prefer the Phoenix when it comes to that. And also on the Gemini, the noses, they're both pretty good. It's hard to tell which one, if there's a better one. They both look really good. Both of these have great molds and stuff. It's hard to say which one is better. They each have better things. Like Gemini's, the imprints of the flaps and slats are better than the Phoenix. It's a lot harder to see them on there, but they are there and stuff. I think Gemini's paint might be a little better, maybe a little more detailed. The Phoenix is also very good and stuff. But in terms of the wing thickness and stuff, you can see the difference. The Phoenix one is a little thinner and stuff. And then the Phoenix landing gear, they're actually a little different and stuff. They both roll also, and tilt. This one's not stuck, so yeah. So yeah, if there's a better one, I might say the Phoenix just because the wing root and the thickness of the wings. But Gemini has a really nice model. It's still extremely nice, and the details on it are phenomenal, and the paint and everything. They do a great job. Both companies do great jobs. And so yeah, it's a really nice model. I highly recommend it. You can comment below which model review you want to see next, whether it's this guy, the Phoenix Air France 777-300ER, or the Phoenix Air New Zealand 787-9, or the Gemini United Express E170, FedEx 757-200, KLM E190, or Hawaiian 767. You can comment below which one you want to see next. And yeah, so hope you liked the video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Geminijets_2000, and thank you for watching.